event for today. Makabang 15 seconds. Gusto ko na natin sa akin na sa event area. In 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, na sino pa gusto mag-join at karami sa event area? Ano po yan ito? Wala naman ako, sit down na sa floor, okay? Sit down na sa floor. Sit down na sa floor, okay lang. Okay lang, hindi na sit down lang. Go. Sit down lang, baby. Go. Okay na? Hi! You want to join? Go, go. Hi, kids! Ikaw ba hindi? Energy sa kids. Gusto ko mabasko. Hi, kids! I love the energy. Before that, papakilala kayo na kami. Okay. I'm Kuya Kenneth. I am your host for today. With me is Ate Jolly. Hi, Ate Jolly! Hi! Today is my best track on the race, okay? Before that, mawamat na sa rin ka. Stand up everybody, stand up. Stand up everybody, stand up. Stand up, baby. Sino ka kayo mag-dance? Oh, pagpagod na mag-dance. Okay. Mawamat na sa rin kita, ha? Okay. Ate Jolly, music please. Okay, March! March!
Shake your hands, shake your feet. One more time. Touch it, tell me
magluwas ang event kayo. Ang sarap. Ay, sigaw na please, sigaw lang. Okay. Mama sa mga sa Kitsuna, say hooray na, okay, practice. Kitsuna, hooray! Okay? Friends and God bless, this is your opportunity to take photos together with the event team. Thank you. Okay, final. When I say Kitsuna, you say hooray, ah? Okay. In 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna, hooray! Okay. Okay, kids. Pwede nyo na matugla sa inyong mga friends, sa inyong mga classmates, sa inyong mga brother, sister. Okay, thank you.